guys, what are we gonna do today? Can you guess? We're gonna make this cute little crown. Now, if you wanted to, you could even enlarge it and make it bigger, but let's just get started. So below the video where it says see more, a link there, click on it, and it'll bring you to this template. This is the template I'm using to actually make the crown. So I just printed this onto cardstock, and then you could just cut them all out. It's not that bad to cut out, it just takes a little bit. I have some in my shop page that I already have cut out, and we end up with 2 of these. Okay, so I'm gonna just lightly tack these in with some glue stick onto this drywall tape, just to hold it in place. I'm gonna trim this edge off right here where this last circle is, and trim this edge off where this circle is. So you can see the circles butt up against each other. And I'm lining up this top edge with the top edge of the drywall tape. And this is just holding it down just long enough so I can sew it. And I do want a little bit of an overlap. I am just going to sew a decorative stitch, but you could just do a running stitch, you could staple it, you could do it however you would like, or you could even use just a heavy duty glue. So I'm just gonna do the decorative stitch all the way down. You could just do a running stitch or anything that you would like. And I am just gonna run it, and I'm gonna make sure that I can see the end of this template. I can feel it goes to here, so I wanna sew through all of this all the way down. Okay, let's decorate this up. So I'm just gonna cover this up with a gold leafing pen. What would really be fast is just a gold or a silver spray paint or any type of paint you have. I just don't have any in here right now, so I am just gonna do this. I'm going to do the back side too, so you can see that if you were using spray paint, how much faster this would go, or any type of a paint. So I'm not quite as concerned about the back because I'm going to be putting dark wax on this, and this will dry pretty quick. But you can see if I would have sprayed it or just brush painted it, it would have gone way, way quicker. So now let's finish this up. So I'm going to use clear wax on this first, then I'll put some dark wax. Actually, I think my brush has some dark wax on it, so I may not have to do any more dark wax. There we go. Now we're going to put it together. So you really could sew this together. You could hand stitch it. You could put a ribbon through it. I'm actually just going to use a staple, and this is a fun trick. What's fun is if you want colored staples, you can just color the top of your staples, which is really fun, and they will come out whatever color you want. If you don't want bright silver staples, and I'm just going to put a little gold leaf on there. Let it dry real quick. Put it back in my stapler. And this will want to bend a little, but that's okay. You know, you're just going to form it. And I'm going to overlap it so my 2 ends here touch. Wax over that, but you can see you don't even notice because they are also gold. So this really isn't bad to do, and I said actually if you wanted a bigger, just either enlarge your template, do more of the pieces to put it all together. If you paint it, it really goes a lot faster, but it's a fun idea whether you want to put it on something little, make it smaller around a little cupcake, or even add little ribbons or gems or flowers or whatever you would like. But I hope you guys have fun.